Hi everyone, I just thought I would do a very quick video to show you how to cook these. In this little bowl here, I have some spiralized zucchini noodles, and don't they look pretty good, right? You could eat it like that. So on my noodles, I also have chopped up some fresh herbs. I've got parsley and coriander on there. If you don't like coriander, you could do mint, or you could do basil, or you could do chives, or anything you like really. But so that's my raw zucchini in there in my bowl. And literally this is not just the best way to cook zucchini noodles, as far as I'm concerned, this is the only way to cook your zucchini noodles, because at the moment they are raw. You could actually create a little salad out of this. All you would need is to add some lemon juice, maybe a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and you've actually got a really delicious salad there. But if you want them to be cooked, you want them to be warm, this is the best way to do it. Over in my pot here, I have a little hot broth. I'm actually making a Dutch-style meatball soup. And the best way to cook your zucchini noodles is take your hot broth and then literally just pour it straight over the top. There is enough heat. You can see the steam coming out of my soup. There is enough heat already in my broth that it's actually going to cook my zucchini through. The worst thing that you can do is throw your zucchini noodles into there and then put them on the heat, because then what happens is they get really overcooked and they get all soggy, and that's all I gotta say about that. No one likes soggy zucchini noodles. But what I have there, just by pouring that hot broth over top, and by hot I mean steaming, and you can see in my broth I've got onions, and I've also got some cauliflower. How good is this little soup? And because it's meatballs, I'm going to add these meatballs, these Dutch-style meatballs. Oh my God, they're so good. This is going to be a meatball soup. But that's it. That's all you need to do. And right now, that is ready to eat. So because we have not cooked our zucchini noodles, they're not going to get soggy, which is so important because, as I said before, just soggy noodles. But the best thing about it is they're going to hold on to that texture. So when you go to eat these noodles, and look, guys, come on, how good and fresh does that look? When you go to eat your noodles, you're going to be getting texture in your mouth and not soggy, disgusting, yucky noodles. You're going to get lots of texture and you're going to get lots of flavor. And because we haven't overcooked them, we haven't cooked all the goodness out of them as well. So as far as I'm concerned, that is the best and the only way to cook your zucchini noodles is just hot broth in there. If you're not putting broth on it, literally put it in the pan for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds maximum. That's all it needs. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.